How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, the thing is, you cannot keep an highlight without posting on story, but we can definitely remove the story within a few seconds of posting and keep it on the highlights. So, tap on the your story option available there. If you want it, then you can simply add any videos or photos from your gallery, or you can simply tap on the camera icon available there and create your own story. Here I am just simply keeping an emoji. Then I'll search for a song and drag down and keep it a lyrical song for a better view of my story or my highlights. Now all you have to do is, once done and once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the your story option available there and wait for your story to be posted. Now tap on the your story and post it. Once posted, open the story again. It might take few minutes for your story to be posted according to your internet connection. So wait for a while. Once posted, you will get to see posted option available there at the bottom left corner. So now what you need to do is tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. So as you can see, our story has been posted. Tap on the three dot icon, or drop down menu will appear. From the drop down, tap on the archive. Now the story we just posted the 45 seconds ago has been archived. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Once in your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen, then navigate to the settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on the archive, then tap on the posts archive. From there, tap on the stories, and then you will get to see the recent story you have archived. Now simply tap on it and you will get to see highlight option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the highlight, then highlight this story. You can simply name anything according to your preferences. And after you name, you can tap on the view on your profile or simply go to your profile and check for your new highlights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.